Good afternoon and welcome to the Weather Centre this Friday. Ahead of the long weekend, an upper air trough is moving across South Africa, and that's what's causing the wet weather in the summer rainfall area today. There's a weak front approaching the Western Cape, and we're expecting a few drops of rain in Cape Town tomorrow morning, with drier conditions further inland. This morning started off cloudy in the Free State, Eastern Cape and KwaZulu-Natal. Good rainfall amounts were observed in the vicinity of the Colesberg as well as the southern Free State, but it's going to remain mostly cloudy and very wet, especially over the Eastern Free State and KwaZulu-Natal for the remainder of today. Clearance is expected to take place as the upper air trough moves eastwards over the Western Free State and the eastern parts of the Northern Cape, but intense thunder activity remains likely tonight over KZN. We're also expecting thunderstorms this evening over the Western Bushveld and in Gauteng. Low cloud moves in ahead of the approaching front along the western and southern coastline, and there's a possibility of light rain tomorrow. Dry conditions though for the western parts today. Clearance taking place over the eastern half of the Western Cape, with widespread showers and thunder showers over the southeastern parts of the country and a 60% chance of thunder showers over southern Gauteng this afternoon. Winds reach 30 kilometers per hour in the R today, moderate northeasterlies for Durban and Richards Bay, and in Cape Town and Pretoria we're expecting northwesterlies up to 20 kilometers per hour. Daytime temperatures cooled by a lot of cloud cover over the Eastern Free State, 20 degrees in Bethlehem this afternoon, 25 in Johannesburg, upper 20s along the KZN coastline, and Cape Town with a maximum of 26 degrees. Speaking of Cape Town, let's take a look at the next 5 days weather forecast. It remains cooler this weekend with partly cloudy conditions, but we're not expecting very windy weather. Tomorrow morning could start off with a few drops of rain. On Christmas Day, we're expecting a cooler, breezy afternoon. No rain in the forecast, but it becomes warm towards the middle of the week. The rest of South Africa's forecast for Saturday will be mostly dry over the interior, except for a few thunderstorms along the eastern and southern escarpment. And on Sunday, we're still expecting mostly cloudy weather along the south coast with a bit of light rain in George. That's all from the Weather Centre. Enjoy your afternoon.